We got 3 diesel rigs. We're going to hit the trails up at Elbe Hills ORV. In front, we've got a guy towing a, I don't know what year it is. It's a Toyota pickup truck with an OM617 swap. It's a 5-cylinder Mercedes turbo diesel for the uninitiated. In front of me, we got my buddy Joe. He has a 4BT swap YJ. And I've got the TDI swap, 1.9 liter, swapped TJ. So we're gonna go get into some mud and get into some trouble. Trailhead. All this going through. Am I getting slapped? Oh, I'm not paying attention. I am a terrible tripod. Decided to air down a bit. He was running 25, which is a little bit too high. Bouncing you out of your rig damn near.
What do you say?
Typical Washington day, nice and rainy. Well, I'd say he's got a ways to go.
Yeah. All right, I'll grab the winch.
Shit.
You grab the line.
Do you have a anchor point back here?
He's gonna find one.
Oh, I guess we're pulling you through then. Okay.
Might be able to pull me through.
It is getting traction.
Yeah.
Seriously, if he could somehow...
Stuck right there.
Go backward.
Oh, he's dragging his ass like a dog on a carpet.
Yeah, I think that's what it is.
Dude, that's a badass sounding chopper.
That's all I got. It's fucking sucking in water. What shackles should I hook up to? That's all I got.
Oh, the exposed one. Unless you can reach the other one.
I can get to the other one. That one?
Yeah, the other one I'd go for. Because he'll be able to pull you straight that way.
It's underwater a little.
Don't try this at home, folks. It's a bad idea. Well, when I wasn't looking, my co-pilot decided to play a little prank on me and tear up my Titan fuel tanks. And I think my Jeep just got a new nickname. Instead of Pull and Pal, it might be Tit Tank from now on. So, what was the motivation for old Tit Tank over here?
Oh, you know, just, it needed a name.
Well, I think you found it.
Yep. Essentially the Tit Tank.
His front's not spinning at all. Well, it got as far as he could in rear wheel drive. We're going to winch him back out. And he's going to use the bypass. And then Joe's going to do the rocks in his 4BT. Little 4BT action. Hey Joe, is your locker engaged? The rear locker's not working. Oh, just, yeah. There we go. Very nice. There we go. Here's a little update. My friend Joe, his U-joint in the front passenger side axle was not happy and shot a nice little spark out as soon as I turned the camera off. So now we're gonna... Well, I broke something. So we're what, 3 for 4? Jeez, I'm kind of scared to turn mine back on. We got his Toyota going to the foreground. We got him. Woo! Well, we'll be able to winch him up this. This won't be a big deal. That smells like rubber and diesel. Well, now we got to see if we can get him out. You're good.
Think it's close enough?
So I'm thinking this probably won't reach. But I have another strap in there. We're just gonna tie them together, I guess. I don't got to do it.
I don't know why you're avoiding it. You know you're going swimming.
Me?
Yeah. I don't know why you're...
Somebody's got to steer that submarine.
Blanket I got.
That bumper goes? Oh shit! Look at that!
Water feature off.
Out of this way.
It's just dumping out water. It's cycling with the fan.
It's sucking up water. That fan's hitting water.
What's going on, Charlie?
Oh, you know, just doing some electrical stuff.
Yep, it's the best time for your Jeep to die on you is when you've got a nice tight strap going to somebody else who's stuck, and then your engine shuts off because you don't have enough voltage to keep it running. We had a terminal come loose from the voltage regulator, so the old tit tank's a little stranded right now. We got it running. just fired up. A friendly stranger, or angel, one might say, came along with a jump box. Charlie was able to hook the regulator back up. Strap, strap. Let's do this. Good.
One of the straps broke. Just make sure you keep it in neutral. He might be able to just winch you out. That other stuff is fun.
A little bit of water in there.
It's a little cleaner now.
What diesel is that?
Well, now we have only 2 broken vehicles and 2 working vehicles. I think we might call it an early day because we spent quite a few hours trying to navigate the waters out here. Well, since Charlie changed the name, he had to drive it. The tit tank. He's driving his rig now. The old tit tank. Seems to be doing a lot better. We got a convoy of misguided children on our way back to our trucks. We're limping a little bit, but we made it. Everything seems like it's okay on our rig. And then my buddy that turned the Toyota into a submarine seems like he's running okay too, even. So, but the other 2 have broken front ends, so on our way back. Well, we had a pretty good day out there. We, of course, had some breakage and stuff, and it could have been a little sunnier, but that's one of the beauties of wheeling is you get to go play in the mud if it's wet, or you can go enjoy the sunshine, whatever. We're very muddy. Oh, you all went away. No. Anyway, if you want to see more videos like this, make sure you click like and subscribe, and support us on Patreon. Thanks for watching.